Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Allied World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to find and select Microsoft Excel files. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Excel file. So this is the things, and we will do the find and selection. So here the find. So how? So we will find what any kinds of thing like ANN. So find all. See, there have three cells have been written in the ANN value. So one, where the second, three cell. So find next. See here and find next. See here. So in this way we can do these things. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel or follow this tutorial.